Hi, my name is Ben, and today we're going to look at how to get rid of back pain fast. Now, this is something that most of us at some point in our life will go through. Man or woman, it doesn't differentiate between the two, but as you get older, it's going to be something that could be a little more common. So what kind of things can cause you to be in back pain and experience those? There's a variety of different reasons. Number one, it could be as simple as your posture. If you're in the same position all day long, not getting up, not getting a whole lot of movement, that can be something that can cause back pain alone. Another one could be if you're very active, if you're doing a lot of physical activity, that could be a reason why you could start experiencing back pain. If you're working out at the gym, you turn wrong or twist wrong, those all can cause issues in your back at some point. Most of the time when you get into situations like this, it's generally not going to be anything serious. You may feel things like your back is tight, or you have some tension, or it just aches a little bit, and generally with a little bit of rest and really no therapy at all, it's going to go away. The problem that most of us have when we get in situations where we are in back pain is we don't do anything about it. We just let it go. And that is not good to do, because that can cause more issues and more problems and more severe problems down the road, which is the last thing any of us want to do. Besides the back pain, you may also experience numbness or tingling or even spasms. And if you've dealt with some of those can be very painful as well. So once you kind of figure out exactly what is going on and what the problem was and what caused it, then you can start looking at different therapy or treatment options to see what's going to help ease that pain. One of these ways is ice therapy, where you put ice on your back for maybe a half hour at a time for 2 days. And then after those 2 days, you switch over to heat. Do heat the same way for 2 days and keep going back and forth. And that helps circulate blood flow and range of motion. Along with that therapy option, one thing that you may want to try to incorporate is some sort of over-the-counter medication, whether it be a pain reliever or what's probably more recommended, some sort of inflammation reliever, because that's probably what you're dealing with. Another thing that you may want to incorporate while you're going through this heat ice therapy is some sort of over-the-counter pain relief medication. One of those being just normal pain relief, the other one being inflammation, because that is what you're probably dealing with when you have this kind of pain. You may be one that just simply needs a massage, just something to relax the muscles, break up all the tension, and that could be all you need to relieve that pain. Another one could be changing your routine, just doing something different than you're normally doing. If you sit all day long, maybe get up and walk around a little bit, do a couple stretches, and those could help as well. You may also look into some sort of electronic massage, something that you can do yourself and really target on the specific points that you're dealing with. The one that I'm going to look at first is the Body Back Buddy self-massage tool. Now this does a couple different things. This one you can get your back, your neck, your shoulders, and feet and legs. This is an S-shaped tool, so you can really kind of target and get pressure on the points that really need some tension relief. The last one I want to touch base on is an electronic stimulation device. The reason that these can be beneficial is because when you put these pads on your back and they start doing the electronic stimulation, it helps your body naturally release pain relievers, without having to take any kind of drugs at all. The one that we're going to look at today is made by Healthmate Forever. It's their D016. This one is nice because it's a rechargeable dual node percussive massage. This will help provide relief to very targeted specific areas, and with the dual nodes, they're a little bit longer, so you can get a little more pressure and be able to really focus on the areas that are bothering. It's going to be effective for pain relief, it's going to be portable, and you're going to find that it works efficiently. If you would like more information about either one of these two products that I mentioned, go ahead and take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.